So guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn metals and non-metals and its properties. So metals are gold, silver, copper, aluminium, iron and platinum. So let's exhibit the metals property. Metals are hard solids and it cannot be broken down easily. But there are some exceptions for mercury and gallium, which are found in liquid state, and sodium and potassium, which are soft. The second property, metals possesses metallic luster, that is, they have a shining surface like gold and silver. Metals are ductile, which can be drawn into wires, and malleable, can be drawn into sheets. But there is exception for zinc, which crumbles into powder. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are sonorous, that is, they produce sound when struck. Metals have high melting and boiling points. That is why iron is used to make iron and aluminium is used to make utensils, and mercury is used in thermometers. But there are exceptions for potassium, calcium and sodium, which have low melting and boiling point. So let's recap the properties of metals. First property, metals are hard solids. Second property, metals possess metallic luster. Third property, metals are ductile and malleable. Fourth one, metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Fifth one, metals are sonorous. Sixth one, the last one is metals have high melting and boiling points. So now let's study non-metals. So non-metals are sulfur, carbon, phosphorus, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, etc. So sulfur, carbon and phosphorus are commonly known as solid non-metals, whereas oxygen, nitrogen and chlorine are commonly known as gaseous non-metals. Non-metals exhibit the following properties. Non-metals are either soft solids or gases, but there is exception for bromine, which is present in liquid state. Non-metals have dull and non-shiny surface, but iodine and graphite are shiny. Solid non-metals are brittle and crumble into powder. Non-metals are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Exception for carbon in the form of graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals are sonorous, non-sonorous. Non-metals have low melting and boiling points. So let's recap the properties of non-metals. First property, non-metals are either soft solids or gases. Second one, non-metals have dull and non-shiny surfaces. It's totally opposite to the metals. Then the third one, solid non-metals are brittle and crumble into powder. Fourth one, non-metals are poor conductors of heat and electricity, and they are non-sonorous. The last, solid non-metals and gaseous non-metals have low melting and boiling points. So, point to be noted, bromine is the only liquid non-metal, and mercury and gallium are liquid metals. So this is the end of this session. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be back with the part 2 of the video, in which we are going to learn metalloids, noble gases and names and symbols of elements. Thank you.